If you've got this Galaxy Buds FE and during calls or playing music, if you want to enable ANC, we're going to show you 2 ways with or without the wearable apps how to turn on off ANC and also how to activate noise cancellation with one earbud. To turn on ANC, you need to wear both of your earbuds. Now when it's on your ear, if you press and hold the touch surface on one or both the earbuds for a couple of seconds, it'll cycle between ANC, ANC off and transparency. And you'll hear a sound prompt of the mode changes. You can then turn on off ANC like this way during playing any music or even during call. Another way you can turn it on or off is if you use the Wearable app. And as you can see, you can cycle between the modes from the app dashboard as well. And to avoid any ANC not working issues, just tap on touch control and enter the touch and hold section. Make sure ANC is selected on both your left and right earbud. Now to activate ANC with just one earbud, what you need to do is just from your Wearable app dashboard, go to earbud settings to accessibility. And here just enable noise controls with one earbud. And if you're wondering, does it work with iPhone or without Wearable app? Answer is yes. You can try this similar gesture to turn on off ANC and transparency. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.